Thank you, good people. Today we have another module, lead record. Before we begin, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your screen on your bottom right. After that, we shall begin with the first unit. Work with lead record. This unit has 4 learning objectives. I encourage you to read the learning objectives. You read through the learning objectives. We have screenshots, we have pictures, and at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Question number 1, which of these actions can be completed from a lead record? Create a new lead record, convert a lead to an opportunity, data account details, and then produce a new lead list view. The right answer here is B. Which of these actions can be completed from a lead record to convert a lead to an opportunity? The right answer is B. True or false? There is more than one way to edit lead record details. This is true. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to my channel so that you can watch free Trailhead modules. Until then, bye-bye.